Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account in just a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the LinkedIn app on your phone and log into your account if you're not. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, select the option saying Settings. And once you have landed in settings, click on the option saying account preferences and scroll to the bottom of the screen to the account management. This is where you'll find the option to close your account. Click on it. And after that, you have to click on the option saying continue. LinkedIn will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Pick the one that applies to you and tap next. After that, LinkedIn will ask you for your password to confirm the deletion. Enter your password and hit done. And that's it. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. Once you have deleted your profile, the data will be removed permanently. You can reactivate your account within 14 days by logging back in, but some information might not be recoverable. And there you have it. Deleting your LinkedIn account is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.